Now we go to the new song which Ritesh and Daksh are going to learn it. Ready,
Thank
Ritesh
you,
and
sir,
Daksh?
for the animal song.
Ready?
Okay.
Yes, this is a song in Hindi. In which language?
Hindi,
Hindi. Yes. Do you know that in the north of India they speak Hindi? What do they speak?
Hindi,
Hindi. And in a place called Punjab, okay, they celebrate today Pongal as Lori. What do they celebrate as? Lori, right? Okay, it's a happy festival. How do you say happy festival? Like this. Ready? Okay, shall we learn the song now? अरुणाचल में अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ. Should I stand and teach you the dance? Ritesh is ready to stand. Okay, Daksh, you want to stand and dance or sit and dance?
that's it.
Sit and dance. Okay, no problem. Okay, but I want you to smile and dance. What you should do?
Smile and dance.
Okay, are you ready to smile and dance? अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ गुण गाओ. गाओ means what, Daksh? Gao. Gao means Gana
Sing.
ga. Sing, right? So we should all sing the song and we should dance. Are you ready to sing and dance? अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ. Let me show you the dance standing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ. मानवता को मानवता को ढसी ढसी भयानक माया से छुटकारा पाओ. माया से छुटकारा पाओ. अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ. मानवता को ढसी भयानक. Put your hand in your mouth like this and say ढसी भयानक means scary darkness which is called Maya. Maya is what? Maya is darkness. And what does Ravana Tata do? He will take out the darkness like this. छुटकारा पाओ. अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ. नदी का शीतल निर्मल धार में. How to show नदी? नदी का शीतल निर्मल धार में. Drink the water like this. The water is so sweet. It quenches our thirst. If you're dancing and getting tired, you drink some water and the water gives us energy. Like this, yeah. Ready? नदी का शीतल निर्मल धार में तेरा ही पावन मन है. 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 Then you say कोयलिया का कोमल सुर में. You hold a hand like this and show कोयलिया. कोयलिया का कोमल सुर में. You listen to the कोयल. तेरा ही अमृत धुन है. तेरा ही अमृत धुन है. Your sweet voice is there in the sound of the cuckoo bird. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo says coo like this. Ready? कोयलिया का कोमल सुर में तेरा ही अमृत धुन है, तेरा ही अमृत धुन है. Then you show mangoes on the mango tree. How show mangoes? खिल खिले आम की, खिल खिले आम की वाटिकाएं, वाटिकाएं. And you pluck the mango, and you taste it. Tasty. Are the mangoes tasty? Tasty. खिल खिले आम की वाटिकाएं, तेरी करुणा की दर्पण है, तेरी करुणा की दर्पण है. दर्पण is mirror. How should mirror? दर्पण है. आत्मरूपी, आत्मरूपी. Where is the God's power? Inside our heart. आत्मरूपी श्री रमण की महिमा. Okay, I just want you to look inside the heart for the music. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you say आत्मरूपी, आत्मरूपी श्री रमण की महिमा. गाता धरा का, गाता धरा का कण कण है, गाता जन जन जीवन है. अति पावन ये गुण गायन है, अति पावन ये गुण गायन है. अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए, करुणा निधि के गुण गाओ. मानवता को डुसी भयानक माया से छुटकारा पाओ. अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए, करुणा निधि के गुण गाओ. Very good. Clap for everyone. Okay. Shall we try the same thing with the music once? Okay. I want you to dance with joy. Are you all ready? Okay. I will do some extra steps in between. You all just follow what I'm doing. Are you all ready to do that?
Yes.
1 second. Yes.
I never did the girlfriend dance. So let's go one day. Okay.
Ready? Okay.
Yes.
I want you to stand and dance if possible. Ritesh, will you stand and dance? Yes. Okay. Priya, Shreya, and what is Shreya's sister's name? Shreya and Gayatri.
Say your name. You're finding it amusing then?
What is your name? I don't know your name.
பேரு சொல்லு கண்ணு பேரு சொல்லு அவர் வெயிட் பண்றாரு பேரு சொல்லு
Netra. Shreya and Netra also will stand and dance. Okay. Daksh can sit and dance but with a smile. Are you ready, Daksh? Yes. Okay. Ira, are you going to stand and dance nicely? Ready? Shall I put the music? Yes.
Stand and dance.
Yes. Start. Can you hear the music? Can you hear the music? Yes. Come running like this to Arunachala. And Arunachala is so beautiful. Aha. And in Arunachala there is Ramana Tata's ashram. And in Ramana Tata's ashram everybody is happy. There's ants, 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 ants. There are bees. B for bees. Bees. C for cow. Cow. crows, crows, and dogs. अरुणाचल में करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ, मानवता को दयालु माया से उतारा। अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ, मानवता को दयालु माया से उतारा। अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के गुण। Now show water like this. Now show birds, flying birds. Now show trees, शीतल निर्मल धार में तेरा ही पावन मन है, कोयलिया का कोमल सुर में तेरा ही अमृत धुन है, तेरा ही अमृत धुन है। खिले खिले आम की वाटिका, pluck the mangoes. पावन ये गुण गायन है, अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ, मानवता को ढसी भयानक माया से छुटकारा पाओ। अरुणाचल में अवतार लिए करुणानिधि के गुण गाओ। वेरी गुड, very good. Okay. Will you practice this once again? Shall I send the music for this song?
Yes.
Yes. Will you all listen to the song and dance happily? Yes. Ritesh, did you like the song?
Yes.